It's shaping up to be a positive but cautious start to the week on the Australian share market today, after hopes of a breakthrough in the Greek sovereign debt crisis lifted overseas markets on Friday night. In a meeting of heads of state between France and Germany, Nicolas Sarkozy and Angela Merkel appeared to agree on a softened stance for Germany regarding the Greek crisis, which will allow a voluntary rollover of bank debts towards Athens. Later on in the weekend, a meeting of European Union finance ministers in Luxembourg appeared to indicate that the approval of the final tranche of Greece's current bailout is likely to be approved. An hour into trade in the Australian market today, the ASX 200 index is around 10 points, or about 1/4% higher for the session. We did open stronger than that and have been easing back ever since the first trades went through. In company news, we've had some developments in the mining and materials sectors. Firstly, rare earths company Lynas Corporation is up almost 3% to $1.89 after the company noted press reports in Malaysia over the weekend, citing Malaysian government officials who have said that the International Atomic Energy Association's report into Lynas's proposed processing facility in Malaysia has been handed to the Malaysian government. That document will help the board who are to decide on that processing plant's fate. There has been concerns about potential radioactive exposure to workers and environmental damage, which was seen in a plant which was closed in 1992. And shares in Australia's biggest fertiliser maker, Incitec Pivot, are up 2/3% at $3.73. That company said that its sometimes troubled ammonium nitrate plant in Moranbah, Queensland, is on track for first production this time next year and on budget for its $935 million total cost. With that commercial explosives plant up and running, Incitec Pivot will have a greater exposure to Australia's largest and fastest growing explosives market, the Bowen Basin coalfields in Queensland. And finally, on the currency front, the Australian dollar enjoyed some support on Friday night as the safe haven buying in the US dollar abated amidst those hopes of a breakthrough in the Greek crisis. We have seen our dollar tick a little bit lower in morning trade today, and it's currently buying 105.9 US cents. This is Toby Grimm for Young Stockbrokers.